Let us draw a star using a ruler, a pen and a long strip of paper, long rectangular strip of paper. We take the strip of paper and wind it to create a knot. Tighten the knot as much as possible and then fold it. Tighten and fold it. Observe that you get a shape that resembles B-2 bomber. Don't fly the bomber, just fold wing of the bomber. So we have folded one of the wing of the bomber and we fold the second wing of the bomber. Observe that you get a regular pentagon. Mark the vertex of the pentagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the 5 vertex of the pentagon. Join the diagonal of the pentagon but leave some gap in between. We join the diagonal of the pentagon but we leave some gap in between. Join the other diagonal of the pentagon again leave some gap in between. Again join another diagonal of the pentagon and leave some gap in between. Join the diagonal of the pentagon and leave some gap. Again join the diagonal of the pentagon and leave some gap in between. Well, you just need to continue it and you will get a star. So well done, we get a star. Let's draw a thicker line. If you like. So we cut a star just by folding paper and using scale, a ruler and a pen. Just by folding paper, a ruler and a pen.